I built this tripod dolly from a recycled pallet in 2009. It was the last thing I made from pallet wood after realising I hated the material and the tawdry upcycle mentality it seemed to represent and perpetuate. I originally used the chocks of the pallet itself to fit angled wheels, which would run along PVC tube tracks, and the main section could be compacted by removing 3 wing knobs into a neat pile. The track is not really practical for how I film anymore, and I want to replace the existing wheels with 3 swivel casters which can run along the floor. I'm hoping this will allow me to move the tripod into filming positions around the workshop a little more quickly without lifting, and also encourage me to keep the floor clear. Because my tripod uses spreaders to position the legs, I will have to place the wing knobs beneath. I'm going to bolt the casters using M12 flange nylon nuts, which are countersunk into the planks. After marking the sides with a pen, I used a pillar drill to make a 30mm hole using the Forstner bit up to the midpoint and then drill through with a 12mm bit. I also held mudguard washers with a pair of mole grips and drilled the holes out to 12mm. These will be fitted on the underside of the dolly to prevent the casters digging into the wood. Assembling is very simple, using a socket set on one side and a spanner on the other. I could use a bungee cord to hold the tripod down, but the weight of it should be enough. If you would like to see more videos about filming equipment, please visit my website by expanding the information card in the top right hand corner of the screen. There you will also be able to read articles, browse other categories and support this channel via donations.